ladies and gentlemen, my name is Khonkaenwittayayon, and these are Burirum and Pittayakom alongside. Welcome to 21st century, the high technology world. In modern world, technology is all around us. We live technology and also education. So we can develop both education like critical thinking process and technology simultaneously by STEM. What is STEM? STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. So in order to improve the student ability to solve the problem, the integration of these things, STEM, will be collaborate in this project. So let's see what's going to look like.
Everyone, welcome to Candy Craft. Game design documentary was utilized in the creation of this game. In order to develop this game, first element is high design document or storyboard. This includes the game's prologue and synopsis. Also records the story of the game and the way the levels progress from one to another. Player role, gameplay, genre, platform, target audience, game scene and game flow. Here we do inspiration from the fairy tale, Hansel and Gretel. By using art and graphic design skills, we create different characters with the application and Photoshop. So now I guess you would like to know how the characters move or interact and how mathematics related to our project. Mr. Sanford, would you like to explain?
Good translations. I did source coding the projects. While mathematical logic process is very important here, coding is equally essential. Coding is the process that we use to control and to create. It allows us to bring our idea to fruition. The player actions together with mathematical logics determine the decision made and so the scenario performed. Now let's see how the process works. As you can see, when the player hit the button to start new game or the save file, that has the same final destination which is the condition state. In this process, it will go through the game continuing and it will keep looping. In this process, if the game variable turns to false, it will go to game continuing and keep looping until the player triggers the switch that turns the variable of game into true and it will switch to the game menu. Now, let's look at the protocol work. As you can see on the screen, Who is controlling Gretel, who is the main character here. Now, Gretel is synchronizing with this NPC in front of it. That's not independent, right? But what if she is synchronized with the same NPC in a different position? It's going to changes. For our game, we also have a little puzzle that we hopefully it will help the player improve their thinking skills. After we finish graphic designing and source coding, then we merge this together and export it onto two different platforms. Currently, there are Windows OS and NTK for Android.
And from the data analysis, the results was more than we expected due to the good collaboration of STEM process and game design document. From the college statistics, about 51 participants, about 37.3 of the participants say that this game will improve their ability in order to solving the problem in mathematical way or systematic way. And whereas 31.4 say that this game made them feel more comfortable with math and math doesn't boring anymore after they play this game. And if you guys want to know how this game works and how it's run, how it's in, how it's related to math, you can try. And for the last thing, if you guys have any questions or comments, please ask. We will do the best we can in order to answer your question. Ladies and gentlemen, we are
Candy
Craft.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Okay. Can you elaborate more of how can you say that this project is relevant to mathematics?
Okay.
What makes it relevant to mathematics?
Okay. everyone knows the logic of mathematics, right? If the first is true and then the second is true, then the result will be true. Now I set the event on this position is if the pair stand on this position and interact with the event, it will appear the result. So now the pairs stand here, so the position check is true, and when we hit the bottom or interact with the event, it will show up the command. So that's the logic in mathematics. Do you need more examples?
Did you guys make this?
Yes.
How?
By using the software called RPG Maker and some knowledge from JavaScript.
So you did your own coding?
Yes, I did source coding and she's designer and she's the status.
Okay. Now, question: how is this different? How is it different from like the application Scratch? I know that you learn computer in your school as well.
Yeah.
Yes, and you study Scratch as well.
The crash means
Scratch.
Scratch.
Because you said there, technology and engineering, and this one is part of the technology and engineering. Now, how is this project different from Scratch, which makes also algorithm like this?
You mean like the algorithm that make a calculator?
It's something like this. If you do something, there will be a result.
Yeah.
If you did this, there will be a result for this. If you did this, there will be a result for another one.
will make the map become more fun and make the map look like the fun project, fun activity,
Yeah.
not just academic subject, not just art subject. So this game make the students or the players make feel more comfortable with math.
Comfortable.
Yes.
So your aim is for students to make
Yes.
it comfortable for them
Yeah.
to involve themselves in mathematics,
Yes.
correct?
Also, yes, and
Okay.
also
So
critical
what-
thinking process.
What topic in mathematics you
We
integrated?
We have a puzzle in here.
Sorry.
We have a puzzle in here.
Okay.
Which is the arithmetic.
Sorry.
Arithmetic.
Arithmetic.
Sequence.
So there will be arithmetic problems if you
Yes.
go on,
Yes.
correct?
Yes.
Now, when you did this, what topic in mathematics did you use? Not the questions there, but I mean like to create this project.
The logic.
Logic, tautology. Good. Alright. Any more questions, guys? Okay. Okay. That's it. Good. Good.